If you think history is boring, watch this. In 1976, deep inside the Korean DMZ, a poplar tree blocked the line of sight between two UN guard posts. North Korean forces claimed the tree belonged to them. When U.S. officers tried trimming branches, North Korean soldiers attacked, using axes, killing Captain Bonifas and Lieutenant Barrett. The U.S. decided to remove the tree entirely. They launched Operation Paul Bunyan, one of the most absurd shows of force ever seen. Troop carriers rolled in. Combat engineers with chainsaws stepped forward. Behind them, special operations teams prepared to fire. Howitzers, tanks, and 27 helicopters hovered nearby. Above them, B-52s armed with nuclear gravity bombs flew in formation with fighter escorts. North Korean guards watched, frozen. Nobody fired. The tree came down in under 45 minutes and a global crisis evaporated. Remember, the strangest stories are usually true.